cold air, and guess where it's going? Vroom, straight down. And where the two meet, that boundary, we could see some significant snow over the next day or so, depending on where you are and depending on higher ground or not. The afternoon is dull and wet. It's the beginnings of the weather system, the moisture to come in. This mass of white here, working in from the mild, from the south, to the north, the speckles of cloud. That is the cold air just sitting there poised, waiting, and it's coming our way. But let's look at this area of cloud first off through the afternoon. Wet weather, outbreaks of rain, Northern Ireland through parts of northern England, further south to 12, further north 5 or 6. Met Office early warning for the heavy rain and the heavy snow, particularly parts of Northern Ireland, central southern Scotland, and for a time Northern England. You can see as the area of blue works into the cold air, into snow, not just higher ground, maybe even to lower levels as we get to the morning. And look at that, 1s, 2s, so bear this in mind as you maybe head in the morning out to work across, say, parts of Northern Ireland in particular. See the area of white here? Now, granted, it will be initially for higher ground, but just temporarily to lower levels across parts of Northern Ireland and also Scotland. Watch for this, the central lowlands, up through the Highlands, 2 is your number to, say, Aberdeen. The far north of Scotland, you'll be sort of just to the north of this. Coming further south, you're into the milder air. You look at the temperatures, barely above freezing? No, more likely 8, 9. It's a cloudy, damp start to the day as you start off, to say in East Anglia, down to the southeast, London, just some bits and pieces of rain in the milder air. Coming further south and west, that band of blue, that's our little weather front of sorts, whipping through with some swift winds behind him, but again, into the milder air, and similar sort of thing for much of Wales as well, as we start off through the course of the morning, about 7 or 8 here. As we work through the day, remember the cold air is tucking on the top edge of this weather system, so where the white is, that's the risk for snow. Mainly higher ground, but temporarily to lower levels. Everywhere else to the south of it, some rain working through. We finish the day. 3, 4 for Glasgow, Belfast. Further south, London at 12, so quite a contrast temperature-wise for the day. A lovely photo from Mr. Fletcher in Stirling. An ominous-looking picture. For the rest of the week, it will stay unsettled. The reason why, that weather system will just be sitting there. The top edge of it will still have the wintry showers, some snow, easing away from Northern Ireland. Look at these temperatures, no 10s, no 12s, 2 to 7. Then we push it away, bye-bye to you, off it does, quietening down, but still rather chilly. If you want to keep up to date on the weather, of course, you might want to check our new mobile website, bbc.co.uk/weather/